Imagine this. Tonight, you look up at the sky, and the moon is gone. In its place, another planet is hanging right above Earth. Sounds impossible. Let's find out what would actually happen if we swapped our moon with other planets. First, imagine Mars replacing our moon. The sky would glow red every night, but Mars has less gravity than our moon. Tides would weaken. Oceans would become unstable. Earth's climate would slowly drift out of balance. Seasons would become unpredictable. Life wouldn't end instantly, but Earth would begin to feel wrong. Now imagine Venus in our sky, huge, bright, terrifyingly close. Its massive gravity would pull our oceans violently. Mega tides would flood entire coastlines. Earth's rotation would slow down, days would stretch longer, weather systems would collapse. Venus wouldn't just light the night sky, it would quietly start breaking our planet. What if we swapped the moon with Jupiter? This wouldn't be beautiful, this would be catastrophic. Jupiter's gravity is so strong. Earth's crust would crack, volcanoes would erupt worldwide, Earth could be torn apart, or pulled straight into Jupiter itself. Life wouldn't stand a chance. But now, imagine Saturn, floating above Earth with its massive rings filling the sky. It would be the most beautiful thing humanity ever saw, but beauty wouldn't save us. Its gravity would still cause extreme tides, earthquakes, and constant planetary instability. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Our moon isn't random, it's perfectly sized, perfectly placed. It stabilizes Earth's tilt, controls our tides, protects our climate. Swap it with any planet, and Earth stops being home. So next time you see the moon, remember this: it's not just lighting the night sky, it's the reason life on Earth still exists. This was Imagine That If.